We leave behind the noise, the alarms, the deadlines, the stress. And we begin a journey. Just 30 minutes from beautiful St. Andrews by the sea, from La Peru Waterfall. 40 minutes from St. John, and only about an hour from Fredericton, lies one of New Brunswick's hidden treasures. A place where the forest speaks. A place where the river flows freely. A place where your soul can finally breathe. As we drive through the winding roads of New Brunswick, surrounded by forests, rivers, and endless beauty, something begins to change inside us. The mind slows down, the heart opens, and suddenly, life feels simple again. Then we arrive. La Peru Waterfall. Hidden deep within nature. No skyscrapers, no traffic, no advertisements. Only the sound of water crashing against ancient rock. Only the whisper of the wind through the trees. Only peace. I remember standing there, looking at the waterfall, watching thousands of gallons of water flowing every second. And honestly, I almost cried. Not because I was sad, but because I felt something I hadn't felt in a long time. Peace. We climbed to the top of the waterfall, sat beside the river, and watched the water flow endlessly toward the ocean. No rush, no stress, no fear, just moving forward. And maybe that's the greatest lesson nature teaches us. Keep moving, keep flowing. Trust the journey. Sometimes life becomes too busy. We work, we earn money, we buy things, we chase success. And one day we realize we own many things, but we forgot to enjoy life. So today, we decided not to buy anything, not to chase anything, not to prove anything. Today, we chose peace. We sat beside the river, closed our eyes, and listened. The waterfall became our music. The forest became our church. The wind became our prayer. And meditation began. Not in a room, not with a phone app, but in nature, the way our ancestors once did. And for a moment, everything disappeared. No worries about tomorrow, no regrets from yesterday. Only this moment, this beautiful moment. Then our journey continued to New River Beach, one of the most beautiful coastal treasures in New Brunswick. A place where the ocean meets the land, a place where tides tell stories, a place where time seems to stop. Walking along the beach, watching the waves, feeling the cool ocean breeze, we realize something important. Nature asks for nothing, yet gives us everything. The waterfall teaches us strength. The river teaches us movement. The beach teaches us patience. The forest teaches us peace. And together, they teach us how to live. If you are tired, go outside. If you are stressed, go outside. If life feels heavy, go outside. Because sometimes the medicine you need is not found in a bottle. It is found in a forest, beside a river, under a blue sky, listening to a waterfall. One day, our jobs will end. One day,
Our titles will disappear one day. The money won't matter, but the memories, the adventures, the laughter, the people we shared them with, those stay forever.
This is why we travel. Not to escape life, but to remember how beautiful life really is. And if you ever visit New Brunswick during the summer, put La Peru Waterfall and New River Beach on your list. You will understand why people fall in love with this province. You will understand why people return again and again. And maybe you will discover something about yourself too. Our mission is simple: to share beautiful places, to inspire people, to encourage adventure, to promote nature, and to remind the world that peace still exists. If you enjoyed this journey, please subscribe to our channel. Share this video with someone you care about. Tag a friend who loves nature. And tell us, where should we go next? Your suggestion could become our next adventure.
Remember, life is short, nature is eternal. Money can buy comfort, but it cannot buy peace. Peace is found in moments, moments beside a waterfall, moments walking through a forest, moments watching the ocean, moments shared with people you love. We came looking for a waterfall, but we found peace. We came looking for nature, but we found ourselves. And for one beautiful day in New Brunswick, life felt perfect. Life felt perfect.